In today's fast-paced software development landscape, speed and reliability are paramount. The pressure to deliver high-quality software at an unprecedented rate has led to the widespread adoption of continuous integration and continuous delivery, or CI/CD. CI/CD pipelines have become the backbone of modern software development, enabling teams to streamline their workflows, reduce errors, and accelerate release cycles. Among these, GitLab Runner and GitHub Actions have emerged as two dominant forces, each with its strengths and areas of expertise. As organizations increasingly rely on these platforms for version control and collaboration, the choice between GitLab Runner and GitHub Actions becomes a critical decision. By understanding the nuances of these tools, developers and organizations can make informed decisions to optimize their CI/CD pipelines and accelerate their journey towards seamless software delivery. At their core, GitLab Runner and GitHub Actions share the same fundamental objective: to automate the software development workflow. They achieve this by providing platforms for defining and executing automated jobs, triggered by specific events within the development lifecycle. By automating these repetitive and often time-consuming tasks, CI/CD tools free up developers to focus on what they do best: writing code. Both tools embrace the philosophy of infrastructure as code, allowing developers to define their CI/CD pipelines using configuration files written in a human-readable format, typically YML. This approach ensures that the pipeline definition is version-controlled alongside the application code, providing a clear and auditable history of any changes. Despite their shared goal and underlying principles, GitLab Runner and GitHub Actions differ significantly in their architecture, integration capabilities, and overall approach to CI/CD. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for selecting the tool that best aligns with an organization's specific needs and workflows. GitLab Runner and GitHub Actions offer a rich set of features, each catering to different aspects of the CI/CD process. Runners and environments. GitLab Runner operates on the concept of runners, which are dedicated servers or containers responsible for executing CI/CD jobs. This architecture provides flexibility in terms of resource allocation and environment customization. GitHub Actions leverages the concept of runners as well, but these are more tightly integrated with the GitHub platform and can be dynamically provisioned and scaled as needed. Job execution and parallelism. Both tools excel at parallel job execution, a crucial aspect of efficient CI/CD. GitLab Runner allows users to define dependencies between jobs, ensuring that they run in the correct order. GitHub Actions achieves parallelism through its workflow dispatch feature, allowing users to trigger multiple workflows concurrently. Artifact management and caching. Both platforms offer robust artifact management capabilities. GitLab Runner allows artifacts to be stored within GitLab itself or on external storage services like Amazon S3 or Google Cloud Storage. GitHub Actions provides similar functionality, enabling users to upload and download artifacts between workflow runs. GitLab Runner's strength lies in its tight integration with the GitLab ecosystem. One of the key advantages of GitLab Runner is its self-hosted runner option. Organizations can leverage their existing infrastructure to run CI/CD jobs, giving them greater control over security, compliance, and resource allocation. This flexibility makes GitLab Runner well-suited for organizations with strict security requirements or those operating in regulated industries. Another notable feature is GitLab Runner's support for Docker containers. By packaging dependencies within containers, developers can eliminate the notorious "it works on my machine" problem, reducing friction and accelerating the development process. GitLab Runner's comprehensive documentation and active community provide valuable resources for users. GitHub Actions distinguishes itself through its vast marketplace of pre-built actions and its tight integration with the GitHub platform. This marketplace provides a rich library of reusable components, allowing developers to quickly assemble complex workflows without reinventing the wheel. One of GitHub Actions' standout features is its seamless integration with GitHub's event-driven architecture. Workflows can be triggered by various events, such as code pushes, pull requests, or even issue creation. This event-driven approach enables developers to automate a wider range of tasks, further streamlining the development process. GitHub Actions also shines in its support for matrix builds. By automating testing across various configurations, developers can identify and resolve compatibility issues early in the development cycle. Both GitLab Runner and GitHub Actions understand the importance of seamless integration with other tools and services in the software development ecosystem. GitLab Runner, thanks to its tight integration with the GitLab platform, offers native support for all of GitLab's features. This includes seamless integration with GitLab's issue tracker and built-in container registry. GitHub Actions leverages its vast marketplace to provide integrations with a wide range of third-party tools and services. This extensive integration ecosystem empowers developers to build highly customized and powerful workflows that meet their specific needs. Both platforms offer the flexibility and extensibility required to build robust and efficient CI/CD pipelines that adapt to evolving development workflows. The architectural differences between GitLab Runner and GitHub Actions stem from their respective approaches to runner management and job execution. GitLab Runner employs a more centralized model, where runners can be self-hosted or managed by GitLab, while GitHub Actions leans towards a distributed model, relying heavily on ephemeral runners provisioned on demand. In GitLab Runner, self-hosted runners provide organizations with greater control over their CI/CD environment. This centralized approach is particularly beneficial for organizations with strict security or compliance needs. GitHub Actions, with its emphasis on ephemeral runners, prioritizes ease of use and scalability. Runners are dynamically provisioned as needed and automatically terminated after job completion, eliminating the need for manual runner management. Understanding these architectural nuances is crucial for selecting the tool that aligns with an organization's specific requirements for control, scalability, and ease of management. Both GitLab Runner and GitHub Actions excel in supporting various deployment strategies, enabling organizations to automate the delivery of software updates to different environments. GitLab Runner's support for Docker and Kubernetes makes it well-suited for containerized applications and microservices architectures. GitHub Actions' extensive marketplace provides a rich set of actions for deploying applications to various platforms, including AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and Heroku. Its support for matrix builds enables testing deployments across different environments and configurations, ensuring the reliability and stability of releases. GitHub Actions also integrates with popular deployment tools like Argo CD and Spinnaker, providing flexibility in choosing the right tool for the job. Both platforms offer the tools and integrations necessary to implement robust and automated deployment strategies that align with modern software development practices. Seasoned developers recommend several best practices for maximizing efficiency and effectiveness when working with GitLab Runner and GitHub Actions. Modularize your pipelines. Breaking down complex pipelines into smaller, reusable modules promotes maintainability and reduces duplication of effort. Leverage caching mechanisms. Caching dependencies and build artifacts can significantly reduce job execution times, especially for projects with lengthy build processes. Implement robust error. Handling CI/CD pipelines, like any automated process, are susceptible to errors. Embrace infrastructure as code. Defining CI/CD pipelines as code, using YML or similar declarative languages, ensures consistency, reproducibility, and version control. This approach promotes collaboration, simplifies pipeline management, and provides a clear audit trail of any changes. By adhering to these best practices, developers can build robust, efficient, and maintainable CI/CD pipelines that accelerate software delivery, improve code quality, and enhance overall development workflows. The choice between GitLab Runner and GitHub Actions depends on an organization's specific needs, existing infrastructure, and development workflows. Organizations heavily invested in the GitLab ecosystem, particularly those using GitLab's self-hosted option, might find GitLab Runner a more natural fit. Its tight integration with other GitLab features and its self-hosted runner option provide a high level of control and security, making it suitable for organizations with strict compliance requirements. On the other hand, organizations already leveraging GitHub as their primary code repository, and those seeking a more user-friendly and scalable solution, might gravitate towards GitHub Actions. Ultimately, the best way to determine the ideal tool is to thoroughly evaluate both platforms, considering factors like integration capabilities, runner management options, deployment strategies, and overall ease of use. Pilot projects and proof-of-concept implementations can provide valuable insights and help organizations make informed decisions based on their specific requirements. In the ever-evolving landscape of software development, CI/CD has transitioned from a novel methodology to an indispensable practice. GitLab Runner and GitHub Actions, as leading CI/CD tools, empower organizations to automate their software delivery processes, accelerate release cycles, and enhance code quality. Their ability to seamlessly integrate with existing workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and provide valuable insights into the software development lifecycle makes them essential assets for modern development teams. As software continues to permeate every aspect of our lives, the demand for faster and more reliable software delivery will only intensify. Understanding the nuances of CI/CD tools like GitLab Runner and GitHub Actions is no longer optional. It's a critical skill for developers and organizations striving to remain competitive in this fast-paced digital world. By embracing the power of CI/CD and harnessing the capabilities of these powerful tools, organizations can unlock new levels of efficiency, innovation, and agility, propelling them towards a future of seamless and accelerated software delivery. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of CI/CD and the tools that drive modern software development. Your support helps us create more valuable content for developers and tech enthusiasts alike. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides and insights. Leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Together, we can continue to explore and master the ever-evolving landscape of technology. Until next time, happy coding.